In the garden of Islamic practices, Darood Sharif stands as a fragrant rose, its petals imbued with blessings and love. It is a prayer, a salutation, a heartfelt expression of reverence for our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Reciting Darood is a spiritual journey that draws us closer to Allah and fills our lives with His grace. Imagine a garden where each flower represents a blessing. Each time we recite Darood, it's as if we plant a seed in this garden. These seeds blossom into beautiful flowers, their fragrance permeating our lives. Darood is woven into the fabric of our prayers and supplications. It is a testament to the profound love and respect we hold for the Prophet, peace be upon him. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, our minds are often besieged by worries, anxieties, and distractions. It is in these moments of mental unrest that the recitation of Darood offers solace and tranquility. The rhythmic repetition of these blessed words has a calming effect on the mind, soothing away stress and inviting a sense of peace. Like a gentle breeze rustling through leaves, Darood brings a sense of calmness to our troubled thoughts. It helps us to detach from the worries of this world and connect with something far greater than ourselves. When we recite Darood, we shift our focus from the temporary to the eternal. We are reminded of Allah's infinite mercy and the Prophet's, peace be upon him, unwavering love, filling our hearts with hope and reassurance. This newfound tranquility is not merely a fleeting feeling. It is a deep-seated sense of peace that permeates our being, allowing us to face life's challenges with renewed strength and resilience. Darood Sharif is not merely a prayer. It is a spiritual tonic that nourishes our souls and draws us closer to the divine. With every heartfelt recitation, we strengthen our connection with Allah and deepen our understanding of His infinite mercy and love. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The closest a person is to me on the day of judgment is the one who sends the most Darood unto me." Tirmidhi. These words highlight the profound spiritual significance of Darood and its ability to elevate our ranks in the hereafter. Just as a flower reaches towards the sun, seeking its life-giving rays, so too do our souls yearn for the light of Allah's guidance. Darood is the bridge that connects us to that divine light, illuminating our hearts and guiding us towards spiritual enlightenment. By reciting Darood, we open ourselves to a world of blessings and spiritual growth, drawing nearer to Allah with every syllable. Darood as seeds of divine favor. Each Darood we recite is a seed of divine favor. Just as a seed sprouts life, our Darood blossom into blessings. Imagine a garden where every flower represents a blessing, protection, love. Each Darood is a seed in this garden. Nurtured by sincerity, they blossom beautifully. These blessings extend into the hereafter, becoming a source of comfort and reward. Reciting Darood for his divine grace. Our love for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is an essential aspect of our faith. Reciting Darood is a beautiful expression of this love. It sends our salutations to the Prophet, peace be upon him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever sends one Darood upon me, Allah SWT, will send 10 blessings upon him." Muslim. This hadith highlights the immense reward of reciting Darood. Section 6. Embracing Darood in daily life. Cultivating a flourishing connection. Incorporating Darood into our daily lives doesn't require grand gestures or elaborate rituals. It is about infusing our moments, big and small, with the remembrance of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and the blessings that come with it. Start your day with Darood, seeking blessings and guidance for the hours ahead. Recite it after your prayers, expressing gratitude and seeking closeness to Allah. Make it a habit to send Darood upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, whenever his blessed name is mentioned. Just as a gardener waters their plants regularly to help them flourish, we too should strive to make Darood a constant presence in our lives, nurturing our souls and strengthening our connection with the divine. Embrace Darood not as a chore, but as a cherished opportunity to connect with the Prophet, peace be upon him, and draw closer to Allah. Let it become an integral part of your daily routine, a source of peace, blessings, and spiritual nourishment. Section 7. A journey of blossoming towards a life filled with blessings. The journey of reciting Darood is a journey of blossoming. It is a journey that takes us from a place of spiritual aridity to a garden of blessings, where our hearts are filled with the fragrance of faith, and our lives are adorned with the flowers of Allah's grace. It is a journey that requires consistency, sincerity, and a deep love for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But like any worthwhile journey, the rewards are immeasurable. So, let us embark on this journey of reciting Darood with hearts full of hope and anticipation. Let us make it an integral part of our lives, allowing its blessings to permeate every aspect of our being. And let us strive to become like those beautiful gardens, fragrant with the remembrance of Allah and the love of His beloved Prophet, peace be upon him.